So 4 weeks ago, we did Pyramid Rejuvenation for her face. Today, we're going to point out some enhancements that we did for Kendra's face. Her main concern coming to us was that she was looking tired, and that is usually due to lack of volume on mid-face, which caused the appearance of flattened cheeks. To also enhance her look, I injected some filler in her piriform fossa to soften her nasolabial fold. To balance out the flatness of her features, I created more dimension by adding height to her bridge, and on her chin, I lengthened her chin a little bit to balance out the rest of her face. Finally, for her lips, I suggested to add minimal volume to make them look more hydrated. So what do you think?
I like my results a lot. My friends say that there's been a subtle change, and I definitely notice a difference when I take pictures. So I'm really happy.